Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So from today onwards we are going to start class 12th chapter 7th integrals. So one thing that I want to tell you before starting our syllabus is that you have to be patient and consistent so that you will get a good result. Now before wasting our time, let's get started. So I hope it is clear to you. Integration. So integration is just an inverse process of differentiation. Now many of you will say that what is differentiation? So differentiation videos will be uploaded soon on our channel. So till then we will continue our portion, which is integration. Now for our exercise 7.1 we have to see some formulas. So the first one and very important formula is integration of x की power n, which is x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. It is very simple. Now it will be more clear to you if we take one example, like what is the integration of x cube. So it is, we will replace 3 by n, x की power 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Now it is x की power 4 upon 4. I hope it is clear to you. So some more formulas are there which will be helpful to us in our exercise 7.1, and you will get them in your NCERT. These are, and some more are there. So you have to by heart these formulas. There is no short trick for them. So our 50% work will be over if you by heart these formulas. Now moving to our exercise 7.1, we will start solving one by one our questions, and that's it. So you have to keep your NCERT with you. Now we will start with exercise 7.1 question 1, which is sine 2x. So now we will integrate it. So what will be our result? We will get so it is our starting, so I will also mention here formula so that it will be easier for you, but I am mentioning formula only as it is our beginning. Now this is our formula for integration of sine x. Now we will solve it. So here sine 2x is given, we have to integrate sine 2x. So we will get cos 2x with minus sign plus c, and divide by 2. Don't forget it. Here we have seen why we are putting this 2 in denominator, because we know the formula for sine x, but here sine 2x is given. So if there is coefficient which is attached to our angle, which is x, so we have to put it in denominator. Moving to our question number 2, which is very easy. I think you all will do it. Cos की power 3x. So again I am mentioning formula. So that it will be easy for you. So what we will get? We will get here integration. So sine 3x plus C. Very simple. Don't forget this 3, otherwise your marks will be detected. Now moving to our question number 3, which is integration of e की power 2x. So again I will mention formula as it is our beginning and first lecture. So integration of e की power x is simply e की power x. Now according to our question, e की power 2x is given in our question, so we will write it as e की power 2x and divide by 2. Why we have put this 2 in denominator? Because 2 is attached to our x, as we are doing it in our previous questions also. Hope it is clear to you. Don't forget this c. Now moving to our question number 4, which is ax plus b का whole square. We have to integrate this. So first thing that will come in your mind is to open identity of a plus b का whole square, and you are going in right direction. We will open identity. So what is a plus b का whole square? Very childish question. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab x. Now we will put our constant outside. What is the integration of x cube? Oh sorry, x square. It is x cube by 3 plus b square. Now one thing that I want to tell you is that here it is what? 1. We are not assuming in, actually it is there. So integration of any constant is x. You have to remember it. I can also write it here. Integration of constant is x. This c represents constant. Now we will take our last term, which is 2abx. So 2ab is constant again. What is the integration of x? X here power is 1. We will add 1 more, so it will be x square, and denominator 2 will come. Don't forget it. And plus c also you have to add. Now moving to our question number 5, which is sin 2x minus 4 e की power 3x. We have to integrate it. So here what you can do is you can split integration. Like you can also write it as sin 2x dx minus integration of 4 e की power 3x dx. You can also write it as this, or you can do it directly. That depends upon you. We have to use formulas only. These are very easy questions. So what is the integration of sin 2x? We have already write it here, minus cos 2x. Now restricts by 2. Now minus 4, we will take it outside. What is the integration of e की power 3x? It is simply e की power 3x only, and in denominator we have to put 3. Now plus c. I think some reflection is there which is coming. Now I think it is clear. So now we will solve our question number 6 here, which is integration of 4 e की power 3x plus 1. This is our question number 6. Now here also we can split it or we can do it directly. Now I think you all are able to do it directly, so we will not split it, we will write the answer directly. 4 we will take outside, it is constant. Now what is the integration of e की power 3x? It is e की power 3x by 3 plus what is the integration of 1? We have already discussed that the integration of any constant term is x, so we will write it here x and plus c. Don't forget this c, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Now our question number 7, which is integration of x square 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. So in question number 7, what we can do is, first we can simplify it. Multiply this x square inside, we will get x square minus, it will be cancelled, we will get this. Now integration of this will be very easy to you. What is the integration of x square? It is x cubed by 3 minus integration of 1, which is x, plus c. Now moving to our question number 8, which is integration of ax square plus bx plus c. We have to integrate this. So a is constant, we will put a outside. Integration of x square, which is x cubed by 3 plus b, which is again constant. Integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. C is what? Constant. So integration of this c, it will be c dot x, if this much only, and plus d. So to avoid confusion, I have used here d. You can put any algebra, you can put here c also, but little bit confusion can be created. So to avoid that, we have used here d instead of c. Now our question number 9, which is integration of 2x square plus e की power x dx. So it is very easy question. 2 is constant, we will put 2 outside. Integration of x square, which is x cubed by 3 plus integration of e की power x, which is e की power x only, and plus c. Very easy question. I hope it is clear to you till here. Now our question number 10, we can do it here. So our question number 10 is root x minus 1 upon root x का whole square dx. Now again in this question we have to open identity first, which is a minus b का whole square, which is a का square minus plus b का square, then minus 2ab. This become cancel, square root cancel. Now here also this, and this is 1 only. So what we will get? We will get here x plus 1 upon x minus 2. Now we have to integrate this whole term. So integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 1 by x. So integration of 1 by x is log x. Now minus 2 is a constant, so x will also come, plus c. So this is our whole question. So remaining questions we will cover in our next video. So thank you and see you in the next one.